Do you know the right way to remove your makeup? It's a simple question, but the answer can make a world of difference to your skin. Proper makeup removal is a crucial step in maintaining healthy skin, preventing breakouts, and even slowing down the aging process. It's also important to remember that everyone's skin is unique. Different skin types, from dry to oily, each require a tailored approach to makeup removal. Stay tuned to learn the step-by-step process of perfect makeup removal. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide to perfect makeup removal. First, prepare your skin. Start with washing your hands. This step prevents transferring any dirt or bacteria from your hands to your face. Next, choose the right cleansing products. The choice of cleanser should match your skin type and the kind of makeup you are wearing. For instance, oil-based removers are great for waterproof makeup. Now let's execute the removal process. Gently apply the cleanser to your face and massage it in a circular motion. This helps to lift the makeup off your skin without you having to rub or pull aggressively. Rinse with lukewarm water, not hot. Hot water can dry out your skin and cause irritation. Finally, the post-cleansing care. After you have rinsed, apply a moisturizer to hydrate your skin. This step is crucial in maintaining the health and glow of your skin. Remember, the key to perfect makeup removal is being gentle with your skin and using the right products. Avoiding common mistakes can make a big difference in your makeup removal routine. One common error is using the wrong products. It's vital to choose a remover that's compatible with your skin type to avoid irritation. Another mistake is rubbing too aggressively. Gentle, circular motions are key to effective makeup removal without damaging your skin. Not thoroughly removing makeup is also a common problem. Leftover makeup can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Using hot water can strip your skin of essential oils, leaving it dry and irritated. Skipping moisturizer after removal is a no-no, as it's essential for rehydrating your skin. Lastly, not regularly cleaning your makeup removal tools can lead to bacterial buildup. Avoiding these mistakes can help keep your skin healthy and beautiful. You might have some questions about makeup removal. Let's answer a few common ones. Is it enough to cleanse my face with water if I'm not wearing makeup? Well, water alone might not be sufficient to remove all the dirt and oil. Why should I use a special product to remove eye makeup? Eye makeup often contains ingredients that are resistant to regular cleansers, and the skin around your eyes is delicate. How often should I cleanse my face? Ideally twice a day, morning and night. What is double cleansing? It's a method where you first use an oil-based cleanser, followed by a water-based one. And why moisturize after makeup removal? It helps replenish your skin's natural moisture, keeping it soft and healthy. Remember, the right makeup removal routine can make a world of difference for your skin.